I'm using a breakout and pullback strategy on stocks with top payouts, combining fractal bands and CCI. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get to it. Let's get started with today's trading session. I'll be working with company stocks, and all the assets you see on the screen right now have the most optimal movement patterns and payout percentages. I've already done a detailed market analysis for the current conditions and decided that today we'll be trading using a breakout and pullback strategy. So for that, I've chosen a specific set of indicators, fractal bands with a period of 4, the fractal indicator itself with period of 6, used to identify structural highs and lows, and the CCI oscillator with a period of 20. We will also be watching for overbought and oversold areas, combining all the indicator signals to find the best possible entries. And also, I'll explain exactly what signals to look for, what conditions to meet before opening a trade. And we'll be trading on the 1 minute time frame, starting with a $30 position. So let's begin and pick the first asset for an optimal entry point. So let's open the first position upwards in line with the current trend. So looking at the general price behavior, we had a sharp downward movement. And now, after updating the global structural low, there is potential for a trend reversal to the upside. The price has broken through the upper fractal band, so I'm entering long in continuation of this potential reversal trend. So let's see what is going to happen now. And as we can see, the first position closes confidently in profit. The previous candle showed a minor bounce, which helped confirm this trade. I think everything was clear here. So let's continue and pick the next asset. Here, I'll also open a long position. This entry didn't take long to find. Though I didn't quite catch the ideal structural level, the CCI shows a bounce from the oversold zone. There was a recent update to the structural low, and the lower fractal band was broken from below to upwards. That's why I'm opening long, and I'll likely open an additional position here. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. So here comes the additional long entry. So let's check the outcome. I expect a breakout after this small bounce. So we've got around 40 seconds left, and let's see what is waiting. And the breakout did happen in the last seconds, as we can see, so we closed the trade in profit. It was a somewhat uncertain entry on my part, and you might feel it wasn't a reliable signal. So the next trade I'll open will be for the maximum balance amount to prove the effectiveness of this strategy that we use. In a 1 minute trading, timing is really crucial, and I think you already understand how much it impacts the result. So let's continue and find our next setup.
Are you struggling to set up trading indicators or just starting your trading journey but losing money? Join my trading team on Telegram today. I trade live with my subscribers every day, sharing all my trading signals. You can easily replicate them either manually or by connecting to my trading account, making the process seamless for everyone. I'm here to guide you, answer your questions, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to earn $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and message me for details on how to start. Spots are limited, so act quickly. It's completely free to join. In my channel, you can also check out my trading results and the income my traders are making. Message me now to get started.
I am opening another long position here. We previously had a small breakout above the upper band, and I believe the upward trend should continue. Earlier, we had a bullish move followed by a pullback, forming a structural low for this segment. Then came a reversal and another breakout, a small pullback again. And since the CCI line hasn't crossed into the overbought zone yet, I believe an upward breakout is due. So let's see what is going to happen. And the trade closes in profit once again. Amazing result, I must say. I'll place the next trade using the maximum balance again, so let's move on and pick the next asset. Another quick entry we're seeing. I'm opening a long position again. Earlier we saw downward volatility following a structural high update. Then a new global low formed and the market changed direction. So we broke through the upper fractal band. And now I'm targeting a bounce entry, expecting the upward trend to continue after the pullback. So let's see what is going to happen now. And the trade closes in profits, just as expected, confident entry and satisfying results, of course, we see. To wrap up and lock in the gains, I'll open one final trade for $47. Even if this last one closes in a loss, I'm already satisfied with a $300 profit for the day. So let's go and pick the last entry. And here, I'll probably go long again, this time an Apple stock. So let's highlight the active area. There is no clear trend here, but I'm watching this segment. We had a pullback and a new structural low formed. The lower fractal band was broken and the movement continued upwards. So now we've broken the upper fractal band as well, and the CCI is moving up from oversold into overbought. So I'm opening a long position and we have just the last 10 seconds left. And the trade closes confidently in profit, just as expected. Excellent result. We made solid performance in today's trading session. Amazing result. Let's lock it in and move to withdrawal. Today's total profit is $391. And the withdrawal request is successfully submitted. So that wraps up today's trading session using this indicator combo, which worked out amazing. So if you have any questions, you can always go to my Telegram channel, which is in the link description below. Thank you for watching, and for some free signals, use my Telegram channel. I wish you good luck on your trades. Goodbye.